Hello, in front of me I've got Villey V1. In this video I'll show you how to turn your earbuds on and off. The fastest way to turn your earbuds on and off is to simply take them out of the charging case, to turn them on, and put them back to turn them off. Alternatively, you can take them out of the charging case, and now to turn them on or off, you can press and hold multifunctional button on each earbud for 3 seconds. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.